Hey investors, this is the February update for Project 1 million. January was one of the worst months for Project 1 million, I think, in quite some time. I think over the last few months, I've seen the portfolio fluctuate from a high of about 365 or 370,000 to as low as 280,000 plus. So it has been a wild few months. Nonetheless, the portfolio has recovered slightly, and I've been busy actually buying stocks and selling put options. Let's take a look at the portfolio in detail. So these are the stocks I have in the portfolio. Google is actually my top stock at the moment at about 18.52% if you include both classes. And I heard that Google is going to go up about 5 to 8% after its earnings release. So it looks like Google is going to become a bigger share of the portfolio. Amazon is the next, and you can see the rest of the stocks over here. So my top 4 stocks this time make up about 54.54% of the portfolio. And my top 11 stocks, which are these stocks over here, they make up about 73.98% of the portfolio. As you can see, Twilio and PayPal have dropped off from the top 13 that I usually talk about. And I heard again that PayPal will be dropping about minus 16 to minus 20% after its earnings release. So PayPal will go down. But I'm intending to buy at least one more share of PayPal immediately upon this fall. Nonetheless, so the stocks in yellow are the core holdings. The ones in red are holdings that I'm looking to reduce over time, and the ones in green are holdings that I'm looking to increase over time. So we can see that Twilio, PayPal, all of those are stocks that I'm pretty bullish about. So I look to add to them upon weakness in the share price. MSCI is the one that I don't really understand, and I think S&P Global already covers the kind of exposure that I get with MSCI. Although MSCI has done very well for me over the last few years. These are the other stocks. So some of these other stocks are stocks that I've acquired through put options. So they are put options gone wrong basically. BigCommerce, Carnival, Amwell, even Douyu. So these are stocks I'm looking to cut down on as their stock prices go up. Baozun is another one that I got through put options, but I'm still pretty positive on Baozun. But it's very susceptible to China and US trade tensions. So these are the other stocks we have in the portfolio. Teladoc is one that I'm still keen on to add. Mercado Libre, Illumina. Nvidia I like, but I feel it's still a bit expensive. Shopify has fallen quite a bit. I might add if it goes to 600 or so. DocuSign. I added to Ethereum, I think, during this last crash. CrowdStrike, Square. Intel, I think, has also become attractive again. I might either sell a put option or just buy the shares outright. Unity Software. Airbnb is another one I'm looking to add to. I'm just not sure exactly when travel will recover, but I think we should be on the cups of a good recovery. So probably, Airbnb is a good play, and eToro is another one that I'm looking to add. So you can see these are the rest of the stocks we have in the portfolio. So I've been adding some of these growth stocks just to get some skin in the game and to understand them better. So you can see that our total cash position is negative right now, but our total stocks value is about 324,800 plus. So for 2022, we're down about minus 7.6%. So going forward, I will show actually the percentages inclusive of or rather exclusive of the leverage. So 2021, I've revised it downwards to 10.4%. I think from 12% or so without if you counting the leverage. So 2022 onwards, I'll be showing it without the leverage. So it's down minus 7.6%. So this is what I've been up to in January. You can see it started off with an assignment of a put option. This is what else I did. I sold some Costco. I've been selling some shares to make room for some of the stocks that were assigned. I sold S&P Global over here. This is what else I did. Sold Expedia. Sold Carnival. Bought Matterport. I did a video on Matterport recently. Bought Twitter. Bought Robinhood. Fiverr. Sold another Teladoc put. Bought more of ARK. I think no, this is the first time I bought ARKK. This is a quantum computing stock, so I'm getting interested in this. I bought one share. Bought Pack Bio. Bought more Matterport. Sold a Fiverr put. So this has helped me raise some cash selling the puts. For this put, I got about $1,000 plus. So pretty useful, I think. Bought Doximity, bought PayPal. Sold another put here on Farfetch. I hope I'm not getting too out of control with selling the put options. But so far I think they've been manageable. But I had some bad experiences as we discussed earlier. Bought Ethereum, CrowdStrike, sold Costco, sold Apple, sold S&P Global, sold Booking as well. This is a big sale because I had to make up a lot of space, raise cash for the new stocks that were signed. Here you can see all the put option contracts that were assigned. So I kept buying more stocks as the market fell. SoFi, Square, bought Matterport again here, bought another Matterport here. So Apple, Costco. So Apple and Costco and S&P Global are the main stocks I've been selling to raise cash. And I've been paying some interest because of some margin I've been holding as well. So at the end of January here, the open stock option contracts we have, put option contracts. So right now it's about 8,700. I think it's manageable. Maybe if the market dips a lot, I may do one or two more for this year. Okay, so in terms of the performance, here is what it looks like. Let's maybe zoom in here. So Berkshire Hathaway is at the top. The S&P 500 is minus 4.6. It's still beating us. And then you can see the rest. Barron Fifth Avenue Fund, Scottish Mortgage, ARKW, Triple Q, and Berkshire Focus. They are down between minus 15 to minus 20%. So I think we are doing okay. We're still losing out to the S&P 500, and of course Berkshire Hathaway has been having a great year plus. But I hope to beat the market again and hope to beat Berkshire Hathaway. Let's take a quick look at Fundsmith as well. Fundsmith was down about minus 9.5% in January, but they had a great 2021. And I just found this interesting as well, that Fundsmith is buying into Alphabet as well. So they bought into Amazon recently and they bought into Alphabet. So they are buying into some of our top positions as well. So that is the update for February. How have you been dealing with the market volatility? Have you also been buying or selling put options? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a great day.